Support the Ramen Raider on Patreon. Thanks to all our patrons.
Alright, hey, this is Hans. It's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Not so instant today, though. This is from Myojo, USA. This is their Hakata Tonkotsu, part of their regional series, and this you will find in the refrigerated section at your favorite magical, wonderful grocery store that has such things. And I hope yours does, because this kind of stuff is really quite groovy. I really like it a lot. I don't know about this one. I guess we'll find out. There we are. So we have a fresh noodle. And we have a sachet of base. And we boil this for a minute 15 to a minute 30. I like mine a little chewier, a little more done, so I'm doing it for a minute 30. Dropping it in, hitting start, and you get to watch. Oh boy! And I'm putting the base in the, I've got some water that's already been heated. Wow, that really just drops it, doesn't it? Okay. And what's new? Just had lunch with my lovely wife. That was fun. I really love this whole her working at home thing. It's so great. And now she doesn't even have to go. She was supposed to go in twice a month, but they're like, nah, you don't have to do that. Sweet. Lunch every day together. That's really quite nice. We don't like to be separate. But yeah, togetherness, it's a good thing. So I'm going to stir the heck out of this and get this moving a little bit more. And I'm going to use a bowl that I don't always use, but I found a trick with it. And I mentioned this trick the other day, and what did I do? I didn't do it. Which was kind of lame. Okay. So let's look at that noodle. I think it should be done. Alright, so we're going to drain that. Come here, noodle. Pot or the bowl. It's in a bowl, ladies and gentlemen. A bowl with noodle in it. Let's see, how's that look? Really? God, it's so weird because there's so many cameras on these phones. It seems like that would be the perfect spot, but let's try. Yeah? Yum, yum, yum. Oh. Okay, that did well, but the noodle doesn't seem to want to show its... Wow, look at that. Look how much it displaces. Let go. I must say, I really am a big fan of Myojo fresh noodle. It's really quite enjoyable stuff. Okay, let's go with our egg next. I think I have a really old thing of egg marinade in the fridge that I just noticed earlier, which isn't good. It gets funky. Here's our egg. Come on, I want you guys to work with me. Got room in the dishwasher. I'm gonna make a brand new marinade for the egg. I got a slice of pork. Yeah. Right there. And I've got some don't sink. It's not the look I'm looking for. Just pile it on. There's more where that came from, huh? Okay. I want them to be visible at least. Okay, so we got that out of that. I want this noodle a little more. Yeah. Like that. Go with the chosh or the narutamaki. Whoo! Right there. Spring onion right there. Whoa. Maybe a little bit more on top. Oh, 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 oh. Here. Sometimes the holy slicer doesn't like to completely chop them up, or I feed them through too fast. And let's add a little bit of this yummy yummy. Go to eatkarikari.com. That's Kari. It's a chili crisp, and it's freaking really floating my boat lately. Let's just put a crap load of it. Wow, I've been using this a lot in reviews. A lot. Let's sprinkle the seed. I think we're grooving. And there we go. All right, cool. That's it for me. I'm gonna go out and probably get all wet in the rain again. I think that's what's gonna happen. But anyways, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoy me your noodles each and every day. Wow, that chili crisp kind of exploded, didn't it? But yeah, like, subscribe, let everybody know. Have a good one. Bye-bye.